The diagram shows how Troy organized some shapes in a Venn diagram. Which shapes are not placed correctly? List 2 correct answers. So we start off with a big label of polygons. And so polygons are closed, 2D, and most important, have straight sides. No curves. And so if we look at all 5 of these shapes, they all seem to be polygons. All right, then let's go in a layer. This left circle is labeled parallelograms. A parallelogram has to have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So if we look at shape A, I see parallel on the top and bottom, but that left and right side are going to cross, and so they are not parallel. And so A is not in the correct spot. It is one of our answers. B has parallel, 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 parallel. Looks like 2 sets of parallel to me. And then C has top and bottom parallel, left and right parallel. And so it looks good as far as parallel. Now, last circle is labeled shapes with all congruent sides. Congruent means equal. All the sides are the same length. And so if we start with C, all 4 sides are the same. We can tell because of these little marks that they have going around it. Those tell us that those 4 sides are equal. So C looks good. D, on the other hand, has 2 marks here, or 1 mark here, and 2 marks on the top and bottom. That means that left and right are the same length, and the top and bottom are the same length, but are all the sides congruent? No, and so D would be another one placed wrong. If we look at E, all 3 sides have 2 marks, which tells us they are all congruent, and so E is in the correct place. Correct answer is A and D.